Hi everyone, hope you're doing fine. Just going to plan for next week, which is week 14th of May, and this is my first plan with me recorded, so I'll do my best and I'll be as fast as I can. I've got some gold and purple here and slightly pink, which is nice. I like that. And I've got the to-do list here to put. I've got some other stuff, some stickers that I have to go through and plan. So we'll get started. Got my washi tape here, and some of them are a bit old, so I'm trying to use them up. Some of them are pretty old, so the best thing for me to do is start using them up. I've had a lot of washi tape given to me as presents, and because most of family and friends know that I love crafting, so they usually get me some. I'm trying to get 1 or 2 videos out a week, so I'll try my best to do that. I really like this planner. It's pretty flexible. Let's get scissors here. I do like this planner very much. It's creased a little bit. There we go. We'll do the other side. I've got this border that I want to try out as well, so let's try this border. This is very pretty. Love this. I'm not quite sure what I've got planned for next week. I suppose most of the time we'll be staying in. There's no wrong or right way how you figure out your planner. some stickers here as well to use. Okay, so weekend I will be I'll be doing my nails. I'll make some phone calls on Monday, and I'll be doing my nails and hair over the weekend. So I'm going to wash my hair on Sunday. Bit of pampering. And be doing some DIYs as well. Yep. And that makes me happy as well. Okay. I know I've got a lot more stickers than this. I just can't remember what I've done with them. So that's a task that I have to dig out all my stickers, find where they are. This little bow is pretty. Okay. This pen I received from a swap of one of my Facebook groups. Right, it's very nice, very pretty. Great. Okay, so it's I think that's that.